coming in from all over the city, and I'm starting to get worried.
I see Spider-Man.
Did you see that? The spider signal!
Run!
With Spider-Man nearby, trouble can't be far away. And you know what trouble means. Headlines! National coverage! So don't screw this up! Good luck. Man, you shouldn't be out here.
Doc Ock on the loose. This could be the most dangerous night of my life. And yours. Be careful. Nice shades.
Spider-Man! Red leotard!
Dr. Octopus, everything's going as planned!
Excellent! And with my anti-gravity cannon, even Spider-Man won't be able to stop me.
You mean stop us?
Yes, of course.
Hey, what's going on?
What was that?
Electro.
Intruder! If you think you're getting out of here, you're in for it.
So much for being careful. Just get back to the bugle.
Watch out, Spidey.
Doc, you're worse than your haircut.
Well, it's good enough for your city, Duck.
Things up. You guys did all right.
All right.
But don't give up your day job. Say cheese. See you later.
Congratulations, you're a hero. I do it all the time.
Good job, Team Swoop. You did great.
Members, please first up, carefully raise your left arm and exit the vehicle. Make sure that you take all your personal belongings